Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel and today I'll show you face unlock test on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face just to see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock feature works here fast, correct. I just unlocked the device less than in 1 second. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll try to unlock this device with the wearing glasses. So let's just try. 1, 2, 3. As we can see, our face unlock method works also with the glasses and without of them. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.